Measles is back, and the West Midlands is at the centre of the surge. Cases are at their highest since the mid-1990s, as vaccination rates in parts of Birmingham and the Black Country have slumped to amongst the lowest in the country. At Scallywag's Soft Play Centre, these parents have made sure their kids are protected.
It's one of those illnesses, really, where you've always heard of it in the background over the many years, but I suppose it's one of those things of where I suppose you don't really think of it sort of to be going round, do you? It's just one of those things that you think of back in the day, you could say.
But now back?
Well, apparently.
So many anti-vaccination people around nowadays, so I think it's just going to keep getting worse the more people say no to getting their kids vaccinated.
People are just scared, they don't know what to do for the best, but at least I know that I've done what I can for my children, and I do think it's important for people to consider having them done to reduce the numbers.
Latest figures from the UK Health Security Agency show there were more than 1,600 cases of suspected measles reported in England and Wales last year. That compares to 735 in 2022 and 360 the year before. Almost half the current surge is in just 2 regions. Of the 217 suspected cases reported in the last 4 weeks of the year, 57 were in the West Midlands and 44 were in London. In the last month, more than 50 children have needed treatment for measles at the Birmingham Children's Hospital. Doctors here say they haven't seen anything like it in many years. To stop the virus spreading, 95% of children need to be vaccinated with the MMR jab. But NHS figures show that last year, only 85% had 2 doses by the age of 5. That's the lowest rate since 2010, when Andrew Wakefield was struck off the medical register for falsely claiming the jab caused autism.
There are a number of reasons why that is the case. Clearly, during the pandemic, there was a pause, and a number of people may have not had their MMR vaccination. And there are also some parts of communities where they may have some reservations, some hesitancy about having a vaccination, and particularly in Muslim communities where they may have concerns over the vaccine, which can contain pork products.
Measles can cause permanent disability and even death, and doctors are urging parents to make sure their children are protected as the virus spreads. Thomas Moore, Sky News in Birmingham.